Morning, student of class 6. Today we will study third chapter of English literature, The Postmaster. One day I have already introduced the chapter. So page number 37 activities that I had told you completed. 37, 38 also introduced. Now page number 39 starting. Okay, it is a story of a village Ulapur. There is a indigo factory related to, and the post head character is postmaster. And now here, although the postmaster one minute attempted to write verses and mix with the workers at the indigo plantation to while away his time, but truth be told, the postmaster secretly yearned for a return to city life. The postmaster's salary was mere, and had to cook his own meals. As the evening drew closer and birds started chirping their way back to their nest, the postmaster used to call out for Ratan, an orphan girl of the village who did odd jobs for him. Now, say here on the page number 39, first para, what is the explanation here? Try to understand that postmaster was a very good of nature. He was adjusted in every situation, either with when he has time, then he was going to talk with the indigo farmer workers, and it means he was very good at nature. And now the postmaster secretly yearned for a return, but he was thinking to be a part of city life. But later the postmaster's salary was inappropriate, means not getting properly, so it means he has to cook his own meals, means the postmaster himself was going to cook the meal, means food. And at the evening time the birds are chirping on the way to their nest. Now at the time the postmaster used to call, often he calls out Ratan, an orphan girl. Orphan means the girl who does not have parents. So Ratan, for what thing? Who can just cook food for the postmaster, who could do odd jobs, means another part. And now Ratan and the postmaster would sit for a long duration and discuss their families and their particular set of circumstances. Ratan had dim memories of her time spent with her parents, and partly recollected how her father had been more fond of her than her mother, and how she used to sit idly on the edge of a small pond playing fishing with her little brother. As their talks wore on, it generally became late, and the postmaster allowed Ratan to put together a humble meal that both would share by the fireside. And now Ratan and the postmaster both are sitting comfortably for long duration. Long duration what means? They are talking together. Ratan and the postmaster both are talking together of their families, of their circumstances, situation, everything. Both are sharing, postmaster and Ratan. Ratan actually, she does not know more details about her childhood age story, because at the time she was a child, but a little bit memory she had. Now she said that that her father had been more fond of her than her mother. It means her father, Ratan's father, loved Ratan more instead of her mother. And this is the reason she used to sit idly on the playing and pond playing fishing with her. This is the reason, means actually Ratan was alone, means her father loved his wife more. So this is the reason Ratan was just sitting near the pond and just looking the water, the fish, and other, means aquatic animals, and playing with her little brother. And now like this, Ratan and postmaster was talking together, and after Ratan, postmaster said that actually the time was too much. This is the reason postmaster allowed Ratan to put together a humble meal, means of very low quality meal to cook, and both they are going to eat it, okay, by the next of fireside. Now next, third para. Buoyed by these memories and talks with the girl, the postmaster would also start yearning and remembering his family's mother, sister, brother, and their home. Unable to share these longings with the men at the indigo plantation, the postmaster talked freely with the girl, and it was before long that she had become very familiar with these people and frequently offered to them as people she personally knew. And after that, you know that when they are means talking together, and this time the postmaster has talked about, means when the girl has said details of her family members, and now this time the postmaster also has started to remembering whom, giving more details about his family members like mother, like father, sister, brother, home, etc. And this time the postmaster was missing them also. Actually, previous time the postmaster has not shared any of her memories to whom, to the indigo laborers, but this time she was yeah, sorry, he was thinking that Ratan good girl, and now she very quite means like freely, means frequently, and this is the reason he shared this time, but indigo laborers he has not shared. And after that, whatever happened, now he has told, okay. And now one day, here given last pair of page number 39, one day during a lull in the range of the postmaster took it upon himself to teach Ratan the alphabet, and thus it was that within a short span of time she had mastered all the alphabet. Meanwhile, the rains poured down incessantly, and the canals, ditches overflowed. The village roads had become impassable. This rough weather started to prey on the postmaster, and it was not long before he had come down with fever. In the loneliness of his surroundings and the depressing weather, the postmaster longed for the soothing touch of his mother's care. Ratan took great care. Now, now what happened? Now, a story further ahead. What happened? One day, actually during a lull in the rain, means a short starting of the rain. Actually, there was a rain in the village of Ulapur, and the postmaster, actually at this time the postmaster was teaching Ratan about alphabet. Alphabet means understand ABCD, etc. And now she was practicing it, and now she was very mastered of, means she was very good. She was now master. She knows all the alphabet words, etc. She knows. And but in this in the meantime, what happened? Actually, rain has started, and how it has started unending manner, means it will not stop, like, and it has started. And after that, what happened? It has started very heavily. There is a heavily raining. It's started, and now canals, ditches, field, etc., garden, river, everything now overflowed. Now situation like what? Situation like flood, and no one can pass from the road on the village. And actually postmaster and Ratan both are in the room, and actually in the loneliness of his surrounding, the depression, means actually this time the postmaster was very nervous, means what will be, what to do, what not. So this is the reason. After some time, what happened? The postmaster was suffering uh, very a light fever in the starting, but after some time it increases very fast. The postmaster was suffering from fever, and actually when he was at home, postmaster's mother was caring, but here no one, only Ratan is orphan girl is there, but Ratan has taken care of, great care of postmaster. By how? Like motherly affection. On the next page number given, motherly affection, like mother is treating. Okay, up to this I have told you, explained you. Rest next day. Okay, thanks.